Today, we're making SPAM Musubi Fried Rice. This is a great dish for lunch during the week, so let's get cooking. Mix together 4 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dashi, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 1 bunch of chopped green onions. We'll also use 4 scrambled eggs and around 4 sheets of cut nori strips. We can then cut our Spam into about 1/4 inch cubes. We'll break apart 4 cups of leftover rice in a separate bowl and then start with our Spam in a medium-high pan. Once our Spam has turned a golden brown, we can set it aside and start our rice. We'll add about half of our leftover rice and half of the Spam. Add about half of the sauce and sprinkle some of the green onions on top. While that's cooking, we can sprinkle some dashi as well. We'll repeat this process for the other half and use up the remaining ingredients. Finally, we'll scramble our eggs and add it to our rice. Give everything a final toss to mix it all together, and don't forget about the nori. We can now portion everything out and enjoy. These bowls are super delicious, and the nori adds an additional texture. To reheat, simply microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. As we can see, each serving costs about $1.37 to make. This is a great price for a delicious comfort meal. Let me know how it goes down in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.